Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों ज्वेल हाइट्स बाय ज्वेल बिल्डर्स एट बदलापुर. So let's begin with the show. So friend, this building, you can see the rooftop amenities developer has provided in this complex. And especially this land area is around 6.5 acre plot area is there, in which they are right now they are giving the building construction is going on of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2, 3 and 4 building is a combined building with wings 2, with wing number 2, wing number 3 and wing number 4, and one number building is separate. But right now they are giving possession for building number 4 in December 2021. So this is ground plus 12 story tower with combination of 1 and 2 BHK flats. So basically this plot area is 6.5 acre plot area is there. So to fit all the amenities, developer has given few amenities on the ground floor and few amenities are there on the rooftop over here. So you can see there's a wooden flooring, there's a sitting arrangement over here. Evening time, seniors can come over here and sit. Even the youngsters can just walk over here. They can sit, relax, and have a wonderful view of the Badlapur, because Badlapur is mostly, it's a mountain facing views are there in Badlapur, and it's a very cool place, and the weather and the atmosphere is very cool at Badlapur here. So this building is rightly located at Badlapur, and it is close to the city. At the same time it is close to the nature also. आप दोनों का आप मज़ा ले सकते हो, और स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स के लिए जब अपने नए लाइफ को लेकर अगर शुरू करना है, नए फैमिली को लेकर शुरू करना है, बजट उनका थोड़ा कम है, सिटी में नहीं अगर एफर्ट कर सकते हैं तो थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस में जाकर, सिटी का मतलब है मुंबई सिटी की बात कर रहा हूँ, बदलापुर भी अपने आप में एक अच्छी सिटी है, काफ़ी डेवलप्ड एरिया है, तो वहाँ पर फ्लैट अभी भी सस्ते में मिल जाते हैं. 20 लाख, 22 लाख, 25 लाख, 30 लाख तक अच्छे फ्लैट्स मिल जाते हैं. तो वहाँ से भी आप अपना जो है नई लाइफ आप वहाँ से शुरू कर सकते हो, राइट. So this is again the image of the family which shows you can reach out to a dream, and dream is to believe. When you believe, your dream comes true. This is the image what shows. So you should take a step to buy, and rest the universal will take care. Again, basically this place is for the family. The schools are very close by to this area, and even commuting to office from this area, even by train, by metro, by road. So all the ecosystem infrastructure is well developed in this area, and you can travel, you can take your kids to school. So everything is close by to this vicinity in this complex. And once you reach your achievement, you definitely celebrate, because the biggest achievement for a person is to make a flat. आज कोई भी अगर नए काम से शुरू करता है, अगर वो 25-26 बरस का अपना करियर जहाँ से शुरू करता है, the moment the first thing comes in his mind is that he should have his own home. So why not start from Jewel Height, which is at Badlapur. So this is the image of the building, friends. So you can see this is building number 2, building number 3 and building number 4. And building number 1 is somewhere this side, or it could be this side, because building number 1 construction work is going on. These also construction work is going on, but here in one of the building number 4, possession developer is giving by December 2021. So this is how the building looks. It has all everywhere they have given balconies in the building, And here also you can see the balconies. It's not a balcony, basically it's a deck where you can keep 2 chairs and 1 teapot outside and just relax over there. So building is very well designed, and it is ground plus 12-story tower, and 3 wings are together over here, which is building number 2, building number 3, and building number 4, which is known as Jewel Heights. It's a combination of 1 and 2 BHK luxury apartment, and there is theme garden for children and senior citizenship. There is a state-of-art clubhouse and gymnasium, library, and creche is there. Creche is a place where you keep your children, small children, to take care by someone, and when you come from work, you take them from there. So basically, creche is a place where kids are taken care. It's like a kindergarten, you can say. And there's a proposed supermarket in vicinity. So one of the market which developer has already bought, that is Reliance Smart, is already come up in building number 1, which is at Jewel Heights. So Reliance Smart is already come up, and before the resident come to stay over here, they can take the benefit of Reliance Smart, which will be already operational in the complex itself. It's of course outside on the main road, but you have to only come down from the building, or you can order it at home also if the order is bulk orders is there. Then there is a Ganesh Mandir within the society, and this location is very peaceful environment of Badlapur. So as I told you, you are close to the nature also. At the same time, you are in the city also, and you can travel from here to any place, whether it is Dombivli, whether it is Kalyan, whether it is Thana, or any place, or you want to travel by train to Mumbai city or to Pune or anywhere you can. Badlapur is the centrally located area where people travel in distance from here. So Badlapur is the right place where you can travel north, south, east, west, anywhere you can travel. So as I told you, highway is very close by to this area. Badlapur railway station is hardly 2 to 3 kilometers from this complex, and schools are also very close by, and even the hospitals are very close by to this complex. So it's only 5 minutes drive from Badlapur railway station, 45 minutes drive from proposed international airport, which is at Kharghar, and scenic picnic points. The nearest is the Mathiran hill station, which you have to travel from Neril, and Bhairavi Dam in the vicinity. So there's a Bhairavi Dam also, which is a picnic spot in this area, and proposed municipal garden is there in this vicinity. Schools and colleges are very nearby. Market is very nearby, especially Reliance Smart, especially Reliance Smart तो आपके building के नीचे ही है, और well-known hospitals and medical centers are very in the proximity. So again, you see these amenities which developer is providing. It's a rooftop amenities where you can see at the night time when the lights are there and trees are there and wooden flooring and sofas are there over here with large teapot over here. So which you can see it's looking very glamorous. And secondly, this wall developer has decorated this way, but this can also be turned into a vertical garden. So once it is turned into a vertical garden, this wall will look more better. Otherwise also it's looking good. And you can see the complex has good lightnings. This is a rooftop amenities which a developer is providing. And this is the isometric view of the building. When I told you this is 2-number building, this is 3-number, and this is 4-number building. So this 4-number building possession developer is giving in December 2021. So आज से 3 महीना आप पकड़ लीजिए, और इसका फिर आगे चलकर 6 से 8 महीना, और इसके आगे चलकर 6 से 8 महीने में पोजीशन होगा, तो 16 महीने में होगा. तो इसमें काफी एमिनिटीज जो आप देख रहे हैं, ये रूफटॉप एमिनिटीज ऊपर दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पर ऊपर अगर आप देखेंगे तो और कुछ एमिनिटीज नीचे भी दिया हुआ है, और यहाँ पर कार पार्किंग के लिए जगह भी दिया हुआ है नीचे. So when you see in the amenities over here, there is an acupressure walkway garden, there is a coffee lodge जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया, there is an open gym up on the terrace, then picnic garden with barbecue deck, and there's a party deck here, yoga and meditation area is over here, and chit chat area is here, and children's play area is this side over here, which you see the blue and red portion. So this is children's play area, kids play area, and again there is a party deck here. So lots of amenities developer has provided on the rooftop. So other amenities, you see there is a reflexology path is there, then there is a party lawn is there, and meditation area is also there. And a good clubhouse, large size clubhouse developer has given it this complex. So you can see it's a very good large size swimming pool is there, and a large size clubhouse is given. In this complex, you have a water body over here. So children basically they love this type of shower, this type of water body. Children especially they love this type of water bodies. Then there is well-equipped gymnasium is given, and there is a kids play area. Again, in indoor game, you have a pool game and a table tennis. In apartment features, you have all branded fittings are given, well-colored wall, and all sanitary fittings are all branded fittings are given. Even the door locks and everything and tilings, all branded quality fittings are given inside this flat. So as you see here, this is the image of the sample flat. You can make out from here the quality. जितना flat के अंदर आप खर्चा करोगे उतना कम है, पर from here the fix जो चीजें हैं, जो sanitary है, जो basin है यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर जो kitchen platforms वगैरह दिया हुआ है, half tiles, dado tiles दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर, तो these will be all branded fittings will be given with paintings, and good large size windows will be given here. Even the lobby entrance is very good. When you see the lobby entrance, the flooring is very good. It's a large lobby entrance with good company. Elevator has been given, and these are it's a very grand entrance lobby, you can say. And there is a security camera 24/7, and where you can see every corner of the complex can be seen from here. And you see the lobby entrance over here. So high speed branded elevators has been given here, and plenty of place for car parking. So as I told you friends, the Jewel Heights has all branded fittings are there. There are 3 towers with 12-story and combination of 1 and 2 BHK flats, and all the amenities, as I told you before, all these amenities are written over here. And location wise also I told you earlier, which everything is written here. Flooring, they are giving vitrified flooring. In kitchen, granite kitchen is there, stainless steel sink is there, and door height ceramic glazed tiles has been given. Then again in in washroom and washroom or bathroom, you can say there is anti-skid tiles are there, door height ceramic glazed tiles are there, branded sanitary wares are there, and cold and hot and cold water mixture fitting is there. So all these branded fittings are there. Even in door and windows, the developer is giving all branded fittings with wall paintings and electrical fittings. All these are branded fittings. Now these are some of the completed project where Jewel builders are completed. Like this is one of the building at Kharghar, which is Jewel Equira. They have completed this project. And Sapphire Paras Residency as Ulhasnagar, Jewel Paras Residence as again at Ulhasnagar, and Emerald Paras Residence, again this is at Ulhasnagar. So developer has already completed this project. And this is also few projects which is ongoing projects like Jewel Heaven, which is at Neral, and Jewel Vista, which is at Badlapur. पर इसके बारे में हम लोग बात नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे, क्योंकि आज हम लोग Jewel Heights के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So recently, developer has given possession for Jewel Aresta, which is at Badlapur, and this is the image of the building. And people have come to stay in this complex. And for this building, it's already been delivered, and possession has been given for this complex. So friends, now let us see the price. So price wise, when you see over here, building number 4. So here they have written RERA carpet in square meter. So RERA carpet is 30 square meter, which you have to multiply by 10.76. So this will give you 325 square feet carpet area, and the sellable area they are writing over here as 575. But we will see the carpet area. So carpet area is 325 over here, which the cost for this with other charges and everything is 22,81,500, and the highest price for 34 square meter is, which is 375 carpet. You can take it, but you multiply by 10.76. So this is the agreement value, 25,08,500, and when the other charges are added to this, it goes to 27,09,180. But again, when I say other charges, I think so now the scheme is going on because of Diwali festival, where stamp duty and registration is free. So you can take benefit of the stamp duty and registration charges. Again, building number 3 has different rate, which is slightly lower than building number 4. But because of the festival charges, builder is giving some benefit on stamp duty and registration. So you can take benefit of those charges. So friend, that's all for today. This was all about Jewel Heights, which is at Badlapur. And for booking, you can call me on my number 7400138561. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more video very soon. Thank you for watching this show. Bye bye. Take care.